Why you should eat more carrots. Carrots are rich in vitamin A, fiber, and beta-carotene, which helps to keep your blood sugar levels under control, improve eye health, prevent cancer, and heart disease. They also contain calcium and vitamin K, which strengthen your bones. The antioxidants in carrot help protect your cells from damage and keep your skin and hair healthy. Today we will share an easy carrot pancake recipe for healthy breakfast. Watch till the end and subscribe for more healthy recipes. Take 2 carrots, wash, peel, and grate. Put the grated carrots in a blender. Add a half cup milk, some raisins, optional, 1 egg, and blend well. Take a half cup plain flour, 1/4 cup sugar, a pinch of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and add the blended carrots. Now mix well. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil and mix again. In a fry pan, melt some butter. Now cook the pancake on medium heat. Make them whatever size you wish. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Flip when you see bubbles start to form. Your favorite carrot pancake is ready when it turns a beautiful golden color. Add your favorite toppings and enjoy.